Under whose set of rules?
God, no. David, here I am throwing myself at you, and it's like you're not even seeing.
Maybe my vision is clouded by my instincts. So let us say we attempt to start again, anew, fresh. We need to do this from a position of trust.
Okay, David. I see you have me as a schemer. But let us do lunch. And probably we can start everything there, truthfully. We can work things out.
When?
Today.
Where?
I'll send you the location.
Okay. Let's meet in Haffa.
No. You know how we barbs are. We need a little bit more time to, put on that extra little, So it would be nice.
It's raining.
Perfect!
But going under, hey,
Hi, David. I hope that this cranberry is very strong.
Actually, you're intoxicated enough as it needs to be.
Wow. Can I get something stronger, please? Oh, let's go. Let's go to the table. Let me get a drink. Oh, this is really good. Want to try? Can try. It's good.
Yes, it actually is.
I have something that is even better.
No drink. This thing with you on the mind.
David, please. It's much deeper than you even.
I may know more than you think I do. So you're telling me you never knew that Martin was involved in this thing?
By the time I found out, I was way in already. Could have known.
You mean aiding and abetting, that kind of thing?
David, we're talking about human trafficking. You think I'd be involved in something like that without even trying to control it?
Not the urge that left here. But what about this urge?
David, I was threatened. Our son was threatened. I couldn't come out.
And you lost my phone number.
You really think I could reach out to you? I couldn't. My phone was tapped. everything. I just didn't have any privacy. I was embarrassed because of the everything that I did to you, David.